there, boys and girls. My name is Mrs. Aurora Santa Ana, for those who don't know me. So today, we will learn about fractions. Question mark? What are fractions? We will learn how to read fractions. When we read fractions, do we need some letters? Do we need to blend the sounds of each letter to read it? We'll find out. And number 3, we will learn how to write fractions, okay? And of course, we don't do a lesson without a song, okay? I have a fraction song that I want to teach you today. Wow, I'm excited about that. I love this fraction song. Okay, so for fractions, we will learn how to share equally, because we don't want to be greedy. Somebody needs to get equal part, the same part as my part, okay? We don't want to be unfair. We want to be fair, equally divided, or we equally split the whole. So what are examples of whole? I have here a whole banana. I haven't eaten it yet, but I will share something. I'll share half of my banana with you. I have here, what do you think this is? It's an avocado, okay? I will slice up the avocado and I can share maybe 1/2, okay, to you. And I have here a bag of crackers. How do you slice this? How do you split this up? Question mark. We will learn about that later. And I also have a box of Skittles here. How do we do fraction here? And I have here some slices of bread, 3 slices of bread. Wow, you know what? Because I didn't eat breakfast yet. I'll eat some of my bread and I'll share some with you. Okay, how about that? Okay, so are you guys excited about this? All right, so this is my pizza. This is not a real pizza, okay? All right, but this is a whole pizza. Okay, but we will learn what each part is called. Okay, oop, I dropped something. I dropped a part of the pizza. Okay, here we go. So they keep dropping. Okay, but you know that this is still a whole pizza. Now let's go to the terms. We need to learn the words, the important words, before we proceed to our lesson. Okay, now the first one, it says here, fractions are parts of a whole. So we have the whole banana. If I slice the banana, what do you call the part that I'm going to share with you? And what do you call the part that I am going to eat? Okay, so fractions are parts of a whole, but we need to do it equally. The equal parts. Remember we talked about the equal sign when we did the addition and subtraction? Okay, so we will remember that sign when we do fractions, okay? The next thing that we want to remember is, it says, because there are 2 parts of a fraction, it's the numerator, okay? Remember that big word is a big word. The numerator is the part, okay? I'll give you an example. It's still a little vague. It's still not clear right now, but we will learn it, okay? And another word that I want you to remember is the denominator. Say denominator. Now, what is the denominator? The denominator is the whole. That's the whole thing, okay? All right. Now, okay, here. What do I do next? Okay, here's my pizza. No, before I go to that pizza, I want to go to this banana. This is my banana, 1 whole banana, okay? My 1 whole banana. Now, do we eat this part, the stem? No, so I can cut it off because we don't need that anyway. We're not gonna eat that one. Okay, so I cut it off. So this is my 1 whole banana. I will eat half of it and I'll share half of my banana with you. Okay, 1 whole. I need my board. Okay, this is my 1 whole and I slice it into 2. Let me see. Okay, my paper. This is my 1 whole banana, and I want to slice it into 2. Okay, because 1 for me and 1 for you. Let's see. I'll show you. 1 whole banana. Should I cut it on this side? No, if I cut it this side, this will be small. I want the big part. But I want to be fair, right? We want to split it, or we want to cut the banana into two equal parts. One whole, slice it into two. Watch. There you go. Oops. Ta-ding! Okay, so now I have two parts of the banana, but if you put them together, that's one whole banana. One banana, slice it into two. I give 1/2 for you and I eat 1/2, because 1/2 is something that you slice into two. Okay, 1/2 is something sliced into. That's half for me and half for you. And when you cut the thing into, you end up with two equal parts. To write 1/2 is a slice all over two. I messed up my song. I'll practice more. Okay, so this is my one whole banana. Okay, so take 1/2 and then eat 1/2. How do you eat the banana again? So you peel it off and yum. I'm eating my 1/2 of banana. Sorry, I'm eating with my mouth full. Okay. All right. Yum, 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 yum. I finished my 1/2 banana. You finish 1/2 of your banana? Okay. So that is 1/2. Okay. 1/2. You ate 1/2. I ate 1/2. How about if I have my slice of bread here? What's my plate? Guess what? I didn't eat breakfast yet. So this is my breakfast. How about you share with me? All right, so this is my slice of bread, and I love peanut butter. Okay, some people are just allergic to peanuts, and I feel so bad for them because, you know, peanut butter is just so good. Okay, and so I'm spreading my peanut butter on this slice of bread. All right, and I just want to eat 1/2. Okay, and I'll cover it up. How do I slice my sandwich into two? How? Watch. If I put my knife on this, will that be equal parts? Should we have two equal parts? No. How about if I move my knife on this side? Will that be fair? No, it's not. How about if I put it right here in the middle? Right here in the middle? Yes, because 1/2 is something that you slice into. 1/2 is something sliced into. One for me and one for you. One for me and one for you. Take your 1/2. Cha-ching! And I'll eat my 1/2. Yum, 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 yum. It's so good. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, hold on. Did you finish your 1/2 yet? I did. Okay, so yeah, we split the sandwich into two parts. One whole, slice it into two. Okay. How else can I slice this? Can I slice it in a different way? I have my one other slice here. That's it. But can I do it this way, sideways? Right here? If I put my knife here, will that be 1/2? Will that be okay? Let me see. I cut it diagonally right there. So is this 1/2? Yes. Take your 1/2, cha-ching, and I take my 1/2 because 1/2 is one whole, slice it into two. Okay? 1/2 is something sliced into, one for you and one for me. That's my song. And when you cut the thing into, you end up with two equal parts. To write 1/2 is what you do. It's a 1 and a slice all over two. Okay, so that is 1/2. If you see that, this is the numerator. The numerator is the number on top, and the number at the bottom is called the denominator. Say denominator, okay? It says here the numerator is the part. This is the numerator. This is 1/2. 1/2. This is the numerator, the 1, and the denominator is the 2. the two parts, the whole thing. Okay, I slice it into two. The denominator is the two parts because this is one whole. You put them together, that's one slice of bread, one whole slice of bread. I split it into two, so you get 1/2, I get 1/2. And this is how we write 1/2. A 1, a slice, and a 2 because we split it into two equal parts. Understood? Okay. Now, how about if I use my paper plate this time? I want to cut my paper plate into 1/2. How do I do that? I can fold it. Okay, just fold it right in the middle and close it up. Ooh, look at that. It's like half circle, right? And you press it down and let me cut it out. There we go. I'm cutting it up. All right, so now how many parts do I have? Now I have two parts, right? So this is 1/2 and this is 1/2. Put two parts together, you have one whole. Understood? This is one whole plate. Okay, one whole together. Okay, you put them together, it's one whole, but you split it up, it's 1/2 and this is 1/2. Now, I have another problem here. I have my one whole. This is my one whole plate, right? How about if I want to split it into 4 equal parts? 4 equal parts because I have 3 friends to share with and I want something also. So again, we fold it in half first. Okay? And then we fold it up again. Okay? There we go. Let's see. Now, I'll just follow the dent. I'll cut it from here, from the bottom to the top. Okay, this is just 1/2. I said 1/4. I want to share my paper plate. Paper plate. Now, let's pretend this is pizza, okay? All right, so now I have 4 equal parts. Okay, one for my friend, one for my other friend, one for my other friend, and one for me. Are they equally split? Are they equally divided? Yes, because every part is equal because fractions equalize. Okay, that's what fractions is all about. We split the things up equally. All right, so let me write the fraction here. How do we write fraction? A 1 and a slice and number 4. Okay, 1, slice it into 4. And this is 1, slice it into 4. 1, slice it into 4. And 1, slice it into 4. There you go. So this is called 1/4. Say 1/4. 1/4. But this is 1/2. Okay, so 1/2 is bigger than 1/4 because I only split it into 2. But this one right here, I split it into 4. Now, let me show you this. Okay, I will use my board. Let's pretend this is a pizza. I have a whole pizza. On my pen, I have a whole pizza. On my pen, I have a whole pizza. On my pen, and I would eat some up. What's my song? And now I would eat some up. Okay, yum, 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 yum. What is my song? I forgot my song. Okay, so that's my whole pizza. All right. Okay, my whole pizza. But I want to share it with my friends. Let's pretend I have 2 friends first. So this is my one whole pizza. One whole pizza. 1. And I slice it into 2. Okay, so how do I do that? Cha-ching. This is 1/2. 1/2. There you go. I put it a line in the middle. Okay, this is 1/2. This is 1/2. Now, how about if I have 4 friends? I want to split it up, my one whole pizza, and slice it into 4. There you go. So I can just move this down. Okay, this is 1/2. Ching, 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 ching. Okay, I want to slice it up some more so I can have 4 equal parts. You got that? So this is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So everybody gets 1/4, okay? Because that is a fraction, okay? This is a quarter, a quarter, a quarter, a quarter. You put the 2 quarters together, this is 1/2. Okay? A half is something sliced into, 1 for me and 1 for you. What's that sound again? And when you cut a thing in half, you end up with 2 equal parts. How to write a 1/2 is a 1 and a slice all over 2. How about 1/4? A quarter is something sliced in 4. No one gets less and no one gets more. It's when 4 people have to share, they get the same. It's only fair, okay? Because to write a 1/4 is a 1, a slice all over 4. I forgot my song. How about, let's just sing my other song. When we eat the fraction, we will eat the fraction. Get your teeth into a fraction. Get a bit of the action. Try a slice of something nice and eat the fraction. Yum. Get your teeth into action. Get your teeth into fraction. Get a bit of the action. Try a slice of something nice and eat the fraction. Yum, 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 yum. That's our lesson about fraction. Bye.